Welcome again to another Filmora tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete video and as well leave the audio. Without much ado, let's get started. I'm going to use this particular video as an example, and then I'm going to actually extract the audio and to delete the video. So how to do that? Just right click and then you will see detach audio. By the time you click on detach audio, you could see that the video is there and as well the audio is there. Now click on the video footage because you don't need the video footage according to what this tutorial is all about. Right click on it, and then once you right click, then you click on delete. By the time you click on delete, you could see that the audio is still there while the video has been deleted. So if you love this video, consider to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to see you in the next video.